Choosing the right tools can make all the difference when growing your YouTube channel, and AI-powered tools are here to help. Let's compare some of the best AI products available to help you understand how each can fit your needs. First, let's talk about understanding your audience. Tools like TubeBuddy and VidIQ are fantastic for beginners. TubeBuddy offers keyword research, bulk processing for video updates, and insights into your competition. It's perfect for optimizing your content and finding what's trending. VidIQ, on the other hand, provides in-depth analytics and real-time suggestions for improving your SEO. It's great for understanding how to position your videos for visibility. Both tools integrate seamlessly with YouTube, but TubeBuddy is more beginner-friendly, while VidIQ suits creators ready to dive deeper into analytics. Next, visuals. A thumbnail is often the first thing viewers notice, so tools like Canva come into play. Canva helps you create professional-quality thumbnails, banners, and social media posts. Its AI-powered suggestions make it easy to design even if you're not a graphic designer. For compelling titles, tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can generate ideas and optimize your phrasing for clicks. ChatGPT is great for brainstorming creative concepts, while Jasper is tailored for crafting marketing-friendly copy. If you're looking to grab attention, these tools can make your content shine. Now let's look at content creation. Tools like Descript revolutionize how you edit your videos. Descript allows you to edit audio and video simply by editing text. It can automatically remove filler words, sync subtitles, and even offer voice cloning for seamless narration. These features save time and elevate your production quality, especially if you're a solo creator. When it comes to earning, AI can help diversify your income streams. Platforms like Printify and Spring are perfect for creating and selling merchandise. Printify uses AI to predict trending products and streamline the design process. Spring offers tools to create custom merch stores and integrate them directly with YouTube. Both are beginner-friendly and designed to help you turn fans into customers. For partnerships and sponsorships, tools like GRIN and AspireIQ connect you with brands. GRIN specializes in managing collaborations, helping you track performance and negotiate deals. AspireIQ excels in finding sponsorship opportunities tailored to your audience. AI also helps you reach a global audience. Tools like VEED and Papercup make your content accessible to viewers worldwide. VEED offers auto-generated subtitles and dubbing, making your videos easy to understand for non-native speakers. Papercup takes it further with AI-powered voiceovers, translating your content into multiple languages with realistic voice models. Finally, optimizing your content. Tools like Split.io allow you to A/B test different video elements, such as thumbnails and descriptions, to see what resonates most with your audience. Each of these tools serves a specific purpose, from understanding your audience and optimizing visibility to creating high-quality content and expanding revenue streams. If you're just starting, tools like TubeBuddy, Canva, and Printify are great entry points. For creators ready to scale, consider integrating VidIQ, Descript, and AspireIQ for advanced analytics, editing, and sponsorship opportunities. The best part? You don't need to use them all. Start with the ones that match your current needs and expand as you grow. AI is here to help you create smarter, work faster, and earn more. So, which tools will you try first?